Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. The iPhone notch is here to stay for 2 more years as the popular leakster says. We know that Apple has scheduled an event for the next week when we expect to see 4 new iPhones, and the rumor mill has been silent on the topic of punch holes and notches, leading to the assumption that the iPhone 12 lineup will keep the wide notch that has been the part of the screen in the past 3 years. And a popular leakster revealed on Twitter the notch will be present not only on the iPhone 12 but on the 2021 iPhone 13 as well, although it will be getting a little bit smaller next year. We know that it is too early to make such prediction about a phone expected to arrive in no less than 12 months, but Ice Universe has been reliable and has a potential inside information for quite some time, so this one might end up true. Apple is clearly not following the trends of holes or water drops that others are implementing and will stick to the Face ID a bit more. The tech giant is clearly betting on the design and is not implementing the solution like a pill-shaped cutoff that houses all the facial recognition tools, something like the Huawei does. So we suspect that Apple will keep up the infamous notch until the under-display cameras become mainstream, and it will still be a boutique feature that can be found only in a smartphone sold in a single market. So guys, what do you think about the notches? Will you prefer to have a device with a notch just like the iPhone, or you wanted a device with an under display camera sensor? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.